at least a re-trigger. There it goes. Yes, re-trigger. Okay, hopefully we're going to hit something. We got 6 more games added to the ones we had. We need to get a bonus and a bonus. Come on, green orbs. Let's shine. Let's shine. Come on, let's get a bonus and a bonus. Let's get a bonus and a bonus. Come on, bonus and a bonus. Oh, that was crappy. See if we can get a bonus and a bonus with this. Almost a re-trigger. Oh, come on, give me something good. Wow. 2010 said, I know it's about to show off right now. It's about to show off right now. Come on, baby. Come on. Nothing. A $7.70 bonus. Look, we got some beautiful orbs. Let's see how many we can collect. Alright, lightning link. Ooh, got 9. Can we get, oh, I got the mini. Oh, can we get some more? Can we get some more? Hey, let's get it. Come on, give me some more. Come on, boo. Hey, come on. Give me some more. Oh, I saw a big orb go through. Last thing, can you say today? Not today. Alright, we got another bonus feature. Let's see what we don't get on this one. Can we fill her up? Let's see. See if we can get that minor or that major to drop. Come on, minor, maybe something drop. Come on, last minute, say today. Come on, say today. Oh, yes. Come on, let's get it. Say today. Keep me going. Yeah. Oh, shit. Look, 13. Let me see what it's going to do. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Say today.